for an opening statement. As I said at our first hearing last month, this subcommittee has a full agenda this year. Our top priority is a timely reauthorization of the National Flood Insurance Program and its key authorities, which are set to expire on September 30th. Over the past few weeks, my staff and I have taken over 50 meetings with stakeholders, on top of the multiple meetings that were taken by Chairman Luetkemeyer in the last Congress. On Monday, I had the opportunity to visit Louisiana with our Majority Whip, Steve Scalise, where I visited local parish leaders, levy district representatives, bankers, retailers, home builders, and many others. I also toured the southern part of the state, which was devastated, as we know, by Hurricane Katrina, where 1,800 people lost their lives. The NFIP is critical to many Americans. Over and over again, some of the same things continue to emerge in the meetings that I hold. First, a lapse in the program would be irresponsible and would be damaging to communities. Second, policies must be accessible and affordable for those who are in need. Third, there's a strong interest in the growth of a robust private market that can offer consumers choice in flood insurance. Fourth, communities are frustrated by the accuracy of FEMA's flood maps and the amount of time it takes for maps to be approved. Fifth, we should explore new options for mitigation and community resiliency. Sixth, the financial integrity of the program is weak. Today, the NFIP is more than $24.6 billion in debt and runs an annual deficit of $1.5 billion. This is absolutely unsustainable. And finally, we must address some of the egregious claims processing problems that the Northeast in particular experienced during Superstorm Sandy. I'm grateful that Mr. MacArthur, Mr. King, Mr. Zeldin, Ms. Velazquez, the input they've given us as we've gone through this process and taken their input on behalf of their constituents. So I look forward to a robust discussion with Mr. Wright this morning about FEMA's perspective on these issues and others as we ready legislation for reauthorization of this program, which is so important to millions of Americans. With that, I now recognize the gentleman from Missouri, Mr. Cleaver.